Osama Bin Laden. Was he killed long before 2011? There are moments in history that are too hard to believe, and then there are some truths that must remain unspoken. Was Osama Bin Laden, the world's most wanted terrorist, the man America hunted for 10 long years, actually killed in 2011 in Abitabad, or did his story end much earlier? Today, Knowledge Hub Factory takes you on a journey, a story where every chapter, every shadow, hides a deeper secret. Let's begin. Hidden Death. Tora Bora, Afghanistan, 2001, December 2001. The mountains of Tora Bora echoed with American airstrikes. It was believed that Osama bin Laden was hiding in the caves below, but some reports, the kind that never made it to TV, screens, claimed that Osama was critically injured in these bombings and died there. A former CIA contractor once said, "We lost the real Osama right there in Tora Bora. The rest was just shadow play." Silence from Washington. If Osama had really died in 2001, why didn't the US announce it? Because perhaps the goal wasn't just to fight terrorism, but to gain something far more valuable. Afghanistan, rich in minerals like gold, lithium, copper, worth trillions of dollars, a land positioned perfectly between Russia and China. A leaked US report said the US Geological Survey found $1 trillion worth of minerals in Afghan soil in 2002. So if the enemy was dead, how could the war continue? Maybe by keeping the enemy alive in the story. The strange disappearance of Osama's image from 2003 to 2006, not a single clear and verifiable video of Osama surfaced. Most videos were grainy, distorted, showing a bearded man whose face barely matched earlier appearances. Experts questioned, his beard changed colors, his facial structure didn't match. That wasn't the same man, but the global media never asked why. Why the silence? Perhaps because the answers were off limits. The Afghan prisoner in 2007, an Afghan detainee, was released from Guantanamo. After his release, he told journalists Osama was killed in 2001. "I heard his fighters mourning him. I saw their grief." But soon after, that man vanished. No interviews, no trace. Was his testimony too dangerous for the world to hear? The story has only just begun. And if it's true that Osama died back in 2001, then who did the US kill in 2011? That's the question we'll begin to answer in the next chapter. Silent Deals. You are watching Knowledge Hub Factory, where we dare to ask the questions no one else will.